get our wall finished here in the kitchen so that we can put the rest of our countertops in. When we first started working on the kitchen, because we have been living here while we are doing construction, it was just get the function in. So we got our main cabinets in, we got our sink in, we got our stove in, and then we had to pause on the kitchen and go work on other parts of the house, like getting walls up and other floors done and plumbing. So we have finished the painting on this wall. Tom's going to cut this countertop off and install these cabinets next to the stove so that they are finished. And then we're going to finish framing out windows and work on the next area of the kitchen, which will be finishing the walls on the outside of the pantry, framing out that door, hanging our doors for it, so that we can just have our kitchen really done. And we're excited. We're getting ready to cut the countertop to size, and Annabelle and I are sitting on it so it doesn't fly. So that we can grind our wheat. Actually, thinking about it, it might come in a little bit so I can put a bowl there and not have it hanging off the counter. But we have room to put some shelves. Everything's installed and we're excited. I think it turned out really good.